want to give everything for you, but how? Kung sa sarili wala pa akong napapatunayan. I want to give you love, dapat lang. And I want you to experience the life you deserve. Thank you for being understanding. Kinaya mo lahat, have a lot of patience since you gave birth to us and live in the world. Di mabilang mga sakripisyo, marami ka ng pinagdaanan na paghihirap. Simula nung baby pa kami, we did give you a hard times. Di mo mapabayaan, laging puyat. Sa ating gabi gising ka dahil kami umiyak, yeah. At ngayon ay matanda na, ako sa'yo'y nahiya. Looking at you while you sleep and wishing I could give you the life you want. Like how you look